Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume. I believe this is up or down. To be honest, I'm not sure. So you want to hold the one to the right when you're holding the device in a landscape mode. So now that it's off, let's hold power key, volume to the right, both of them, and once you see this mode, you want to immediately let go. Now there's a chance that when you're going to be letting go of the power key, it will accept the start as a command when you're letting go of it, which will basically reboot the device. So if you see this mode disappear right after you let go of the power key, hold those two keys once again and try to let go of them a little bit quicker. So anyway, from here, using volume keys, we want to scroll through the menu in order to select a recovery mode, which we can barely see right here. Maybe if I turn off the lights, let's see if this will help. Nope, that doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, as you can see, when I bring up the exposure, you can see recovery mode right here. So when you see this, press power key to confirm it. And we are now in the recovery mode. Now, sorry for the focus. The camera isn't the brightest one in terms of catching focus, but anyway. So right here you can see this is the recovery mode. And again, using just volume keys right here, you can see that you're going to be scrolling up and down, and this seems to be volume down in this case. So anyway, you can select a couple different options. So we have this camera. So we have reboot system now, which will take us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to where we just were. Then we have enter fastboot mode, which obviously boots to fastboot mode. We have apply updates from either ATB or SD card, wipe data. We have also mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. And like I said, you will select all the options using volume keys. You can see the blue line. And once you have selected whatever you want to confirm, press power key to confirm that option. Now, selected reboot system now in order to go back to the Android and leave the recovery mode. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.